Crows just ate our stuff. Not our stuff, like the peanuts we throw for the bluebirds. Now they're eating it. See one come down. Here, let's back up so they can't see us. Asher, back up. Okay. So they can't see you. Back here. Okay. I bet one is going to come down in a little.
There's one walking after up.
Here. Asher, let's put it right here. And film it so it's on the floor. So it's filming on the floor. Wait. There. I'm gonna...
Look at all the stuff they eat.
Yep. Okay, I think they're about to come. Yes, one's coming. Here, wait, let's see something. Mom, where are the peanuts? On the floor. No, those are just a couple. Because those are super expensive, like really expensive. That whole jar costs $25. Really? Yeah, so just a handful. Yeah, I mean seriously. Yeah. But only for the bluebird. Yes, you may. You gotta chase away the crows are here. They're coming. They're hungry. Okay, we got some peanuts. We don't want the crows to eat them. We want bluebirds. So we're gonna throw them, scare away the crows if they come. I can tell they're coming. I'm gonna go down there. Asher, come on. Yep, they're coming back.
Who are?
The crows. Look, we just threw those, so they're coming. So, if a crow comes, we're gonna scare him. Like that one. He's coming above us. Can't see it. Here. Right there. They're coming. They're coming. Oh, that one up there. He's preying on us. On not us. On the fruit thing. Bluebird. I just saw a bluebird. I don't know if you saw that.
I'm gonna
Okay.
get baby again.
I'll be... Okay. Bluebird. I see you, crow. Crow, get out of here. Crow. Crow. Oh, this one's not open. They like that sound. Asher, I kicked that one because... Go get the one. Asher, what? Go get the one you threw. Okay? Guys, I don't know if you can see me. Okay, I'll just go behind. Here. Here, wait. You can see me now if I go right here. Let's see if you can see me now. You can probably see me now, right? Okay. The crows, I think, are coming, but the bluebirds coming too. So we're trying to get the crows out of the way. Like 100 on that tree now.
Yeah,
So we're gonna try to scare the crows and make the bluebirds come. Okay. Asher, let's get down here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave you to your watch to see if there's bluebirds.
And this is the one who's helping me. Hi, I'm Asher. Nice to meet you.
Okay, Asher, you don't have to do that.
That just
I didn't even introduce me, so yeah. Okay. Bluebird, run! Maybe the bluebirds will come if they can't see us. So I'm in the back of you. You can't see me right now. Hi, I'm waving my hand. Wait. Hi. I'm in the back of you.
Me too. For the back of you. Hi.
No, Asher, no. Okay.
I have the bluebird.
Wait, I want to show them something. Here, wait. Asher, get out of the way. Bluebird!
There.
Get out of the way. See it right there. Here. Let's see if we can see it. Gonna come up close. There it is. See it right on that tree. Right there. I don't think that's a bluebird. Okay, he's scared off. We accidentally scared him, so Asher, come back. Asher! Asher! He's right over there. I don't want to see him, because then they'll go off. Okay.
I see him.
Let's go up here.
He's right on that tree.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you this. This is our owl house I got for Christmas. See, the top is camouflage, but the top is,
Yes.
I have no idea. It's just green.
No,
My
actually
mom My mom thinks it's green, but it's actually gray. Everybody, leave a comment. Tell us if this is green or gray. I mean, really. Okay, thanks for watching our video.
I hope you
Oh,
like
there's
it.
one. There he is. There he is. He's right there. He's right there. Look at it. See it?
Wait, your mom. What are you doing? Tell mom.
Okay, it's going off. Okay, you can see it, that blue thing right there. We don't want the crows to eat it.
Yeah.
It's right over there, see him? He went over there too and got another one.
Another bird?
No, he's the same one that we saw. Okay, leave comments if this is gray or green. Oh, there he is, there he is. There he is. That's close. That's so close. I never saw one that close.
Kids walking by the peanut.
Hi! Hi!
There you go. See?
There you go. Eat it all up. Give it to your family. Go on. Or stay for this video. Yeah, he's going over there. Okay,
Look at the crows in the tree, Lucas.
I know. I told
They're
them
just
about
waiting. You guys go home. Go away.
Go away! It's the bluebirds. Okay.
Like there's 3 in there. You
Let's
see?
try to get 10 likes at least.